Hey, I'm Jimmy, Revmo Chopers and Coffee Company, formerly Revival Motors and Coffee Company. And here we are in our new location, our brand new shop at 606 Union Avenue Southeast, where we are in the midst of building our new paradise. In December of 21, we and several other businesses that shared our building lost everything to a fire. We were fortunate that we didn't lose everything, but we lost a lot. There are others that did lose everything. So here we are, nearly a year and a half later, back in business. Currently, we have found our workaround, and that is we have taken part of the bike side of the shop and set it up for a coffee cart. So we're doing coffee service through the window, 8 till 3, Monday through Friday, every day, rain or shine, doesn't matter. We got really good coffee made by Cafe Umbria. We got Italian sodas, we got snacks, pastries from local bakery, San Francisco Street Bakery, and Owl's Nest Bakery. So we've got snacks and real good coffee. With the build out here on the other side of the shop, we'll have indoor seating, we'll have indoor service, heating, air conditioning, all the modern amenities. And we're hoping that we'll have, you know, construction being what it is, we're hoping to have this part of the building, the indoor seating, ready by midsummer if everything goes right. And then right now, we're doing walk-up service at this window. We've got I think like 12 parking spots. We got lots of space for folks to pull up on their bikes or their cars and get some coffee. And the plan is that over here on this side, we have a little bit of a field. We call it the Field of Dreams. We're gonna have outdoor seating. We could possibly host events, maybe some live music, we'll see. All right, welcome to the construction zone. As you can see behind me, we have all our walls are framed out. Where I'm standing right now is inside the what will be the coffee bar. It's going to be very cozy, very comfortable. We'll have a little fireplace. We'll have coffee service indoors. We'll have local artists displaying their work for sale on the walls. We'll have T-shirts and swag and good stuff. We'll have a kiddie ride out front for the young chopper jockeys and old chopper jockeys. It's big enough for grown-ups. And yeah, so you can expect a cool environment coming up here pretty soon. We're pretty easy to find online. Just look up RevmoChoppers.com, or you can find us on Instagram at Revmo Choppers or Revmo Garage. Right now we're split into a couple of different Instagrams, but we're going to be putting the two together really soon.